guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. This box is about $7. I'll put it below so that you guys know how much it is and a link for it. This is a quarterly box, so you only get this every 3 months. So let's get into the box. Okay, so you usually get several products in here, and sometimes they are trial size and sometimes they are regular size. So let's see what this box has. This would be the winter box. Okay, gives me a card inside. And it looks like there is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm not sure how many is actually in this box. This is the card we get, which has several products on it, but they're not all in the same box. So let's check it out. There is inside the box. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 items in this box. And when you go on to the beauty box, you just do like a small profile. I actually have 2 boxes that come. I'll see if they are different from each other. You know, because one I did a certain profile for and picked, and then the second one I did a different type of profile. So let's get the card first. Okay, if you're new here and you do not know me, my name is Lori, as I said, and this channel is all about life. I am visually impaired, so I see nothing out of my left eye, and I only see a small bit out of my right. Shapes, some colors, light, those type of things. I use a lot of technology to be able to do the filming. So let's check it out. I'm going to go over here and put this card underneath the machine that's called a CCTV. Okay, number 1 is made by Gold Bond. It is a face and body lotion, $4.97 for 5.5 ounces. So this is like a deluxe sample or travel size. It is 1 ounce. So that is the first item. Item number 2. Okay, this is a perfume sample. It is by Cacharel. It is the scent of Yes. Open up and see if we can smell it. I love getting these small little bottles. You can take these when you travel. You only need like take one with you, and then you can use it the whole time you're out. So let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells great. Yeah, I think I really like that one. 1 ounce is $22.98. So I definitely am going to keep this one out to use. Okay, guys, this is number 2. I am not finding this at all on the paperwork, so it must have been in there to sub something out. It is the Can't 2 Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. So it looks like that's either, you know, for 1 or maybe 2 for me, because I have very thin hair. Okay, we have one of these liquid IV oxygen packages that you mix. So it is a electrolyte replacement. So this item, which is item number 4, is a NYX liquid lip gloss. Let's try it. It looks like a really light gloss. You won't be able to see it. It's clear. You can feel it, but it doesn't feel sticky. Okay. So the next items are here. Came in a bag, which is awesome. I had a busted item in one of my bags last time I filmed. Okay, so this is the 5th item. Okay, it is made by a company called Sukin or Sunkin. So full size of this is $9.99. It is Sukin, like S-U-K-I-N, and it is a toner, but it's a misting toner, which I really like those better than just the bottle that you put, you know, your toner on and wipe your face. I like this a lot better. So this is nice. So that is all my 5 items that I got today. So I got the Gold Bond Lotion. I got the leave-in hair conditioner. I got the Liquid IV, the lip gloss, and the spray toner. So I got all of that for I think it's like $6.97 every 3 months. So I think that turned out to be a great box. So guys, if you're interested in any of these the boxes that I open, I call this shopping blind. As a blind individual, it's very difficult for me to go into a store to do shopping, especially beauty products. I can't see anything when I walk down the aisles but just colors. So I don't even know what to pick. So when I get these boxes, I think it's just a great thing that I can try all these items at a very low cost. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I do have other videos coming out, videos about my blindness, my daily vlogs, my weekly vlogs, travel, so resorts, cruises, those kinds of things, and of course more shopping videos. So thank you for stopping by, and if you want to be part of my channel, I would love to have you subscribe below. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.